Okay, this is a AC tester circuit. You can find it in YouTube or Google's there. Alright. So I built a circuit using a board. Okay, 3 transistor LED, battery, and antenna. Okay. So the problem is here. When you on the circuit, the LED will light up automatically. Don't know why. Okay, you hold here. Okay, you don't hold it, you put it here. Alright. It will light up all the time. So this one is probably the, I don't know what to say. Totally cannot use. Okay, so I built another circuit. So this time I add in a resistor here to reduce the sensitivity of this antenna. Okay. Okay, when you on the circuit, it will not light up. Okay, now okay, you can see this is a 250 volt, 240. Okay, I put it one here. Okay, put it one here. A bit distance. Alright. You can see, okay, lights up. So you can see here. The correct circuit will detect only live wire, not everything like this. So this circuit only will function okay when you touch here. Okay, then it will be okay. Very trouble circuit. Alright. So this circuit is you can throw it away. Okay, you turn off the switch. Okay. Okay, you on the switch. Alright. So just add the resistor and capacitor here. So if you want to build this circuit, don't follow this. Add a resistor here and then connect to it here. Alright, thanks for your watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.